Alright, everybody. 2004 Ford Explorer. It jumped time, most likely. It's the timing chain in the back. I'm going to check the timing chain in the front too. But I'm going to pull the whole engine out and do the work. This is going to be what hauls our first trailer. I'm looking at a diesel or a bigger engine truck next. Got all the... I had to take the bumper off and stuff to get the radiator because for some reason Ford thinks that you can just magically go through stuff and take bolts off. So they put the bolts for the radiator in reverse, so you have to take off the bumper, the grill, and I think I got to take off the intercooler to get the one bottom bolt. Got a nice metal grill. Made sure I didn't mess it up when I took it off. We got some rust here. That's really the only rust, which I'm gonna fix up, weld in a new piece. Well, I'll have to cut out all the rust and weld in a new piece, paint it. Actually, I got a spot up here. Here's a spot, but not too shabby, really. Figure I'd show y'all what I'm working on now. Probably next project after this is done, hopefully we'll have a log splitter. If not, then I'll have to figure it out. Maybe get like a pop-up camper and build it into a little trailer or something. We'll figure out something. I'm not gonna video like taking the parts out and stuff like that, but when I go to pull the engine, there will be a video that I make for that. That way I can keep y'all updated with the journey and stuff. Alright guys, till next time, peace out. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and the like, and you'll get notifications for our new videos. It's going to be a pretty sweet adventure. Right now, really just getting all the tools and the truck, of course. A few other things that I've been talking to people about getting and stuff, so we'll see how that pans out. And see you next time, everybody.